Understanding jump ball, a phrase explored. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of sports terminology and explain the meaning of the phrase jump ball. This phrase might sound a bit strange if you're not familiar with basketball, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it. First, let's break down the phrase into its two components, jump and ball. Jump refers to the action of propelling oneself upward using one's legs. Ball, on the other hand, refers to a spherical object used in various games and sports. So, when we put these two words together, it might give the impression of someone leaping with a ball. But in the context of basketball, it has a specific meaning. In basketball, a jump ball is a method used to begin or resume play. It involves two opposing players jumping to reach a ball that the referee tosses into the air between them. The goal is for one of the players to tap the ball to a teammate, gaining possession for their team. This scenario usually occurs at the beginning of the game, but it can also happen if the officials are unable to determine which team should have possession following a scramble for the ball. Now that we understand what a jump ball is, let's look at how we can use this phrase in a sentence. You might say, the game started with a jump ball. After the players wrestled for the ball, the referee decided to do a jump ball. In both sentences, the phrase jump ball is used to describe a specific action in a basketball game, making it clear that it is a term related to sports. Apart from its use in basketball, jump ball can also be used metaphorically in everyday English. When used metaphorically, it describes a situation where the outcome is uncertain, and two or more sides have an equal chance of succeeding. For example, the election is a jump ball right now, any candidate could win. With both teams playing so well, the championship is a real jump ball. In these examples, jump ball is used to express the unpredictability of the situations. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of jump ball and shown you how it can be used in different contexts. Whether you're watching a basketball game or discussing a competitive situation, now you can use and understand the phrase like a pro. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.